Good morning, fam. Coach Nate. You made it here, and that means you're already ahead of 99% of people who hit snooze and stay stiff. You probably woke up stiff, sore, and tired. But in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to unlock your spine, loosen your shoulders, and fire up your hips so you feel strong, mobile, and pain-free all day. Most people stretch incorrectly, making them even tighter. Let's fix that today. One of these moves will instantly unlock your lower back, but only if you do it right, and I'll show you how. The last move in this session is something you've probably never tried before, but you're gonna wish you had tried it sooner. And your spine isn't just tight, it's holding you back from flexibility, posture, and even energy level. What do you say we change that today? Because most people don't realize their tight shoulders are causing them lower back pain. And the next move I have for you is going to instantly fix that. And I should point out, there's one small mistake that might be stopping your stretches from working. I'm going to help you fix that too. If you sit at a desk for hours, I've got a special gift at the end, so make sure to stick through the end to find out. I bet you're going to love it. Let's hit the mat. Your spine is locked up, your shoulders are stiff. This move is about to set them free. Start in a tabletop position, wrists under shoulders and knees under hips. Slide your right arm underneath your left, bringing your shoulder and cheek to the mat. Press through your left hand for support and breathe deep into the twist. I promise this move will release deep tension in your shoulders, loosen your upper back, and improve your posture instantly. Beginners, keep your left hand on the ground for balance. Advanced stretchers, reach your left arm overhead for a deeper stretch. Most people hold tension here. Relax your neck and let gravity do the work. Now, let's even things out, switching to the left side. If your shoulders are always tight, this is why. Most people only stretch forward and back, but they forget to rotate. Let's fix that now. From tabletop, slide your left arm underneath your right, resting your shoulder and cheek to the mat. Press gently into the floor with your right hand for support. Breathe deep and feel your upper back open up. I promise this move will restore balance, improve mobility, and make your entire upper body feel weightless. Beginners, keep your supporting hand on the ground. Advanced stretchers, reach your right arm overhead for a deeper twist. Pause here, take a deep breath, and imagine your spine lengthening. Your upper body is loose. Now let's connect it to the lower body with a full body movement. Now that we've unlocked your upper body, it's time for a full body reset. This move stretches your spine, opens your shoulders, and wakes up your hips, all in one. Start in downward dog, hips high, heels pressing toward the floor, spine long. Inhale, shift forward into cobra, lowering your hips as you lift your chest. Exhale, push back into downward dog, stretching your back and legs. Repeat fluidly, moving with your breath. I promise this move will loosen your entire back, stretch your hamstrings, and give you an instant energy boost. Beginners, keep a small bend in your knees during downward dog. Advanced stretches, try pausing in cobra and lifting your chest even higher. Pause in cobra. Can you lift your chest just an inch more? Feel the expansion. Now that your whole body is activated, let's deepen the stretch with a powerful hip opener. Your hips store tension from sitting, stress, and even sleeping positions. This move is about to release all of that. Step your right foot forward into a deep lunge, left knee down, shift your weight forward, stretching your hip flexors and quads. You've got an option to raise your arms overhead if you'd like, opening your chest. I promise this move will open your hips, improve posture, and make your lower back feel brand new. Beginners, keep your hands on your knee for balance. Advanced stretchers, lift your back knee off the ground for a deeper stretch. Breathe in, now exhale, and sink just a little deeper. We can't stop here. Let's even it out on the left side. If your lower body has been feeling tight, this final move will set you free. Let's finish strong. Step your left foot forward, right knee down, shift forward, stretching your hip flexors while keeping your chest open. Breathe deep and let the stretch sink in. I promise this move will eliminate tightness, improve flexibility, and set you up for a pain-free day. Beginners, keep your hands on your knee for support. Advanced stretchers, try twisting towards your front leg for an even deeper stretch. Last 10 seconds. Can you sink just 1% deeper? Let's go all in. Deep breath in. Now exhale and feel your body open up completely. Your hips are free, your back is loose, and your energy is up. This is how you take control of your morning. And just like I promised, if you sit for hours, don't stop here. Your body needs more. I created a free guide to help you stretch in the morning, afternoon, evening, and stay flexible and pain-free all day. Go click the link in the description or pin comment now before you forget, because your future self is going to say thank you. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.